Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now, open Discord on desktop or web and sign in. Once signed in, go straight to user settings, then my account, then two-factor authentication. If 2FA is already active, choose view backup codes. If not, enable 2FA first and follow the prompts. You do this because backup codes are one-time tokens that get you back in when your authenticator fails. Make sure you have your authenticator or phone nearby, because Discord requires that verification step. Once you see the codes, save them right away. You can download the list, copy to a password manager, or write each code on paper and store it in a safe place. Choose a method you will actually access. Make sure to label them clearly, because each code is one-time use and you should not reuse or share them. After saving, test a single code with a quick login to confirm the saved text matches. That verifies you won't be locked out later. When you cannot access your authenticator, choose Use a Backup Code at the 2FA prompt and paste one saved code. Press Enter to complete sign-in. Remember, each code is consumed on use, so cross off used ones, and once you're low, return to settings and regenerate a fresh set. If a code is rejected, make sure it wasn't already used, that you copied it exactly, and that you are on the correct account. If problems persist, contact
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.